How our brother is sitting. Hello. So welcome back to another new video. After the tour of that cement factory, now we are going at the marble production site, DDSP. Cement factory was up there. We came down from here. There are vehicle ways also. Now this is DDSP area. And my guides are over here. Thank you very much, dear brother, to both of you for guiding me and helping me. Without both of you, I won't be able to tour this area. So this is DDSP monolith or foundation stone. Wow, nice, yeah. So now let's go and have a look of how the production is done. Hello, sir. Hello.
Hello.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm going to tour your production area now. Your workers, everyone.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah.
Hello. The workers as well as the people are so friendly and very welcoming. Yeah. Please do come and visit this area. Okay, from that extraction area. Okay. So this is the raw material, limestone. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's have a look of some production process. Okay. So they will pick up the stones, the limestone. Okay. Okay. Through the crane, right? Chain. Okay. Okay. So this chain will pull up the stones and put above here. Okay. Trolley will come here. Haha. Okay. Then the stone they will place over here. Okay. Right now there is no current, so the production process is not possible to function at present. Anyhow, let us just see how the process is done. Okay. Yes, sir. Wire saw. Okay. Oh. Okay. Wire saw. This wire saw will cut the stone. Okay. It's already. The controller will be there, no? Okay. And he will control the wire saw to cut the stone. Okay. That is how the stone cutting is done. And after the stone cutting, it will go to another process. After the block is cut down, it will bring over here. Okay.
40 plate আছে
Okay.
একি বড় কাটিব
Oh.
40 plate slab আইব
Okay.
কাটে লাইন আছে কি slab
So from here the stone will go and it will cut down into 40 pieces. 40 plates. Slabs.
40 slab
Okay.
do কাটে আছে
Okay. So these are slabs, right? So 40 slabs will there.
40 slab
Okay. It will cut down into 40 slabs. Rejected. No, it's broken, right? Okay. So after the stone is cut, it will place over here. It will go and it will be cut down into 40 slabs like that. Remember that. Now let's have the look of the machines. Yes, sir. So he's the operator, right? You are the operator, no? Okay. Let's go over here. This is the control machine. So you are the controller. Okay. So this is how the control machine works for cutting the stone into 40 plates. How the machine looks like. Let's go over there. This will cut into 40 plates. That is the machine eachother. People are working now, but from that part it will cut down into these plates, 40 plates. And after this process, it will take to another place, right? Okay, so go. Okay, thank you. This is how the stone is getting cut. Wire saw. From that area, after it is cut down, it will be brought over here. So these are the marbles. But let's go. Huh? Aging machine. Okay, okay. 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 Okay, okay. So this is for sizing, making the size. And then it will get precise. Okay, polishing. Thank you. So, here is one more process. I don't know I'm audible to you or not, but please have a look. Okay. This is also for cutting. Just like that same area, there is also one more area. This will break the huge stone into small parts, and after the stone is break down, it will take into that cutting area, and then it will cut into pieces, and it will go for polishing and aging and all. From here the stone will cut, it will go over there for making into pieces, as you can see. And then it will go over here for making into small parts. And from here it will go. But this is also aging machine. Okay.
Brick size.
Okay, this is brick size, no?
Yeah. From this stone,
Haha.
you'll cut here.
Okay. We'll make into shape, no?
And you'll brick size.
And then it will turn into brick size.
One brick size.
Okay, and we can use for making walls like this.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Alright. So there are two areas. One is for the marble, as you can see, and one is for the brick size, which is over here. So for the brick size, the stone will get crushed. It will get like cut into small part again, like this, into small part, and then it will bring over here for aging. Two types of design will be there. One will be round and one will be rectangular size. So the rectangle size is over here, and it can be used as a bricks over here. Oh, it cannot be carried. It's too heavy, yeah? It's too heavy. Oh. It can be used as a bricks, yeah? With stone. Amazing. Ooh. Quite huge. Two sides, no? Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay, fine, fine. So there are two sides. Okay, thank you. So after that work, now let us see the design works. No. Hello. Thank you. So you are the designer for artifacts, like making for chairs, tables, and all. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, fine, fine. So these are the designs. Okay. Wow. Beautiful, yeah. So beautiful. Oh, nice, nice. Stand for keeping the things and all, no? Okay. All right, all right. Nice place. Nice work, yeah. Thank you. Okay. So this is sofa sets. Okay. So people can also make orders, no? Order. Okay. Good, good. After the designer makes the design, it will turn into this kind of tables and seats and all. And that is how our brother is sitting. Hello. And these are the bricks, and these are the marble and designs. Nice, yeah. Nice. All right. You also come and sit. Say hello. Say hello. Thank you. So these are the marbles into various sizes. Hmm? Slabs, no? Limestone, no? So this is ready to make put into the floor for house and all. Okay, okay, okay. And supply starts. Now there are various size, right? Different size are here. Okay. Starting from that small size to that huge size. Okay. Great, great. And the bricks are over here. Yeah, there are various size of bricks as well. Small, big, long, rectangle size. This is square size, I think. This is the rectangle shape. Okay. So these are the monoliths, no? Monoliths means like this stone, which you can use for placing some important information. So that stone can be used for monoliths, and people also order, right? People also order. Great, great, great. So the production are like this. Various kind of production is going on. It means like some for marble, some for bricks and all, and it can be the workers make it into different design. Even monoliths are also available over here, and even not only the monoliths, they also make the writings and all for inscriptions of various important names and whatever is there. They also do this kind of things also. So you can place your order and you can get it done for you, and you can even get it shipped to your location also in Nagaland. And the final output is over here. So now let us have the view from the top view. The stone, limestone, after extraction, the raw material, these are the raw material limestone. It will be cut down into various shapes and it will go for marble production over there. And for bricks production, it is over here. It will be cut down, make into a particular shape, and it will be made into a brick. So, yeah, bricks house, no? Alright, so, and then the remaining parts, it can be turned into a monolith, like that one, for standing stone and all. And it can also be used as a furniture. The marbles, after cutting into a particular shape, it can be used for various designs, sitting, tables, so many things. You can just place your orders here. And the finished output is over there. So this is DDSP WEZiHO. So you can also come and visit, and I'm proud to the government of Nagaland for setting up this kind of beautiful place. Anyhow, I'll end this video from here. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.